Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I said a few weeks ago that I'm thinking about making a new craft challenge for the year 2023, and I asked if someone would like to join with a little collaboration with me, and I had few people emailing me, so I decided to do a collaboration together with Christine from Christine's Cards and Things YouTube channel, Shannon from Art Junkie YouTube channel, and Monika Crafting with Quilling Lady YouTube channel. I'm going to link all those ladies below the video so you can check them out if you don't know them yet. So we're going to try to inspire you all, and we decided to create a challenge in which every single month we're going to do tutorials for different card folds. So the hashtag for this challenge is Fancy Fold Craft Challenge 2023. So FFC Challenge 2023. I'm going to put that hashtag somewhere on the top so you can check it out. So today is the 10th of January. We wanted to give ourselves a little bit longer time to get back to the routine after Christmas and New Year. So from February, every 5th of every month, we're going to upload and show another fancy fold card tutorial. So it's just for fun challenge, which will end at the end of the month. So on the last day of the month, that's the end of the challenge, current challenge. And on the 5th of each month, we're going to start another challenge with us showing you next tutorial for next fancy fold card. So if you want to join the challenge, use hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. So I'm going to write it above somewhere. And add that hashtag to your project so we can see all of the project, even if it's on YouTube channels. You can create your own tutorial if you want, because every single one, even though we're going to do the same fancy fold each month, everyone is going to make it slightly differently. So it's nice to go to each other's channels and maybe Facebook or Instagram, check it out, write some comments so we can create and build up our community. So in January, we decided to show you how to make a joyful cards. So everyone will make a different cards. So for example, I've got 5x7 card blank. Some people maybe will create in a square form and maybe different ways. So do check every single lady, which I'm going to link below, and all the information you need you will find below the video. So let me start off. So I wrote some measurements, but I'm going to create a PDF file, which I'm going to link to my Buy Me a Coffee website, which you will find that link below the video, so you can check out all the measurements again, or you can print it off and keep it for the future. Probably maybe some other ladies will do exactly the same, or they're going to give you the measurements on the videos, but it's a personal choice, so check it out and see. So for this card, the finished card will measure 5x7 inches. So for this one you need a card measuring 7.5 inch by 7 inch, and then you need to score it at 2.5 inch. So what I did, I took the full card, 5x7 inch card blank, and I just cut off the front in the middle, because I do have a lot of card blanks measuring 5x7 inches. So I decided that will be the easiest way to create this fold. And then you need another card which going to be placed inside. So I took another 5x7 card blank, and this one I think measures 4 inches by 6. So let me write it down. 4 by 6 inches. I'm going to add that information, everything you will find on that PDF, so you can follow, look at the tutorial, and then print it at the PDF and do your own version if you want. Or you can check out other ladies and what they're going to create. So let me put the card together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with putting that panel in the center inside my card blank. So every single layer is smaller by 5 mm. That's how I do my cards, and if you want to do a smaller or bigger margin, it's all up to you, but that's how I do it, and I think most of the people, they do exactly the same. So as you can see, I prepared all the elements, and I think in a minute I will show you exactly what I'm using, because I'm using some free gift from a magazine, latest magazine of die cutting essential, and they've got those beautiful papers and cutting dies and stamps included in the latest magazine, so you can have a look. And now, before I make any mistakes, I think I should put this one first. I'm also using gold pearl card from Crafter's Companion, which I'm going to show you in a minute as well. Let me just stick those first. I hope you will like and you will enjoy that challenge. It's something different, and I really wanted to do something which will maybe teach other crafters, because some of you, maybe you only use standard card sizes, and you are a bit scared of creating something more fancy. Oh, let me see, where did I put the other panels? Let me check the other panels, because I think they are missing somewhere. So I've got those panels, so I can carry on. So I hope you will like and enjoy this challenge, because it's something different, and you can create something nice, or just keep those informations or measurements which we're going to give you for the future projects. It's all up to you. You can actually create your own little library of fancy fold cards. So in 2023, every month you're going to get a different fancy fold, so you can learn how to create 12 different card folds. I think it's fascinating, and it would be really nice to learn how to do different folds. I remember when I was starting my card making journey, it was a little bit scary to create something different, other shapes, but it's fun to create something different. So now I'm to create a joy fold card, you need to glue another panel which measures slightly smaller than your card blank. So as you can see, my card blank is 5 by 7, so my that little panel measures 4 by 6, so an inch smaller, and I think that looks fine. But if you want, you can actually make it even smaller, just to make sure that the border around is just even. So unless you don't want this way, so you can create a square. So there are so many different ways you can create your joy fold card, that it's like there are so many different ways. It's all up to you how you're going to create it. And I think, let me just put this one down. And I'm going to do it this way, so I can, and then I'm going to make sure that the space is even all the way around my card. Maybe slightly to the left. Okay, I think that's fine. So let me show you what I'm using actually. So I'm using a free gift from Die Cutting Essential issue 98, and this one comes with eucalyptus cutting dies, and that's the fern and different foliage. There are some stamps as well, and as you can see, I'm using this one, Dream Big, our wedding. There's another one, and a happy birthday to you, and there's another stamp with an eucalyptus as well. And also included in this magazine, there's some papers to download, which I'm using some of them over here, together with that pearlescent card from Crafter's Companion, which comes from this big set, from this luxury mix card stock. It's called Glittering Gold, and this one is 12 by 12 pad. So okay, let me finish off my card. So that's another panel. Of course, this one is 4 by 6, so I'm decreasing again by 5 millimeters. And as you can see, the border looks really pretty. And that's another panel which I cut out from that printable papers. I print off a few different papers, but that I decided to use those two. And I probably are going to do another cards from this free gift. So as you can see, it opens like this. It looks really pretty and it's something different. You've got space for your wishes. You can put or decorate this this side as well, or you can create a pocket for a gift voucher. So I like this card fold, which is, I think, really nice and looks really pretty and very effective. So I'm placing this a circle which I die cut and I embossed, stamped a dream big and embossed with gold embossing powder. I did it off camera so it doesn't take too much time on my video, and I need to find some 3D foam pads. I've got the 3D foam tape because I really want to raise it just a little bit, just to give me that nice interest to my card. So I already like the way the card looks like. I've done previously another Joyfold card in 6 by 6 size, and I thought this 5 by 7 will look different, and I decided to do this measurements for a change. Okay, let me make sure that it's actually in the center. Okay, I think that's fine. And I've got some those foliage which I prepared and pre-cut from that free gift, which is included in that magazine. So I'm putting it slightly on the top. Then I've got another one which is gold, which goes very well with those papers. And I think I'm going to use this one as well. Yeah, I think I'm going to maneuver those leaves a little bit just to give a bit more dimension to this project. So please let me know if you would like to join this new challenge, and are you familiar with Shannon, Christine and Monika? Do you know their channels? If not, then please go have a look what kind of projects they create and what kind of cards, joy cards, they're going to make, because I think it's going to be really nice. And I'm really excited about this year. New challenge, new things are coming our way, so I think it's going to be nice. And I think that should be enough. I'm going to add some gems, but I was thinking, because I've got those two elements, I might actually add it inside somewhere. On this one, it's not sticking that well. I was thinking to add this eucalyptus here in the corner, but I think I'm going to leave it for now, because I'm not sure who's going to get this card. So let me grab some gems and I will be back. So I've got the gems ready, and let me put them somewhere around on my project. I think I'm going to put them here in the top corner. Let me pick like a medium size. I was thinking to put gold, but then I decided to go for green I love gold and green, and I think it will look really pretty. Yeah, I think that's enough. There is so many shiny things that I think that should be fine. So I hope you like this project. I hope you like this joyful card, and I hope you're going to join our challenge. So let me know, what do you think about this card. I hope you like it, and I hope you will enjoy this one. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow the hashtag fancy fold craft challenge 2023. I'm going to write it above so you will remember. But anyway, all the information you will be able to find below the video, together with the links to Christine, Shannon, and Monica. So please go over to their channel to see exactly what kind of cards they create. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.